it's me, K10, and today I was thinking we could get a little tropical, and we can use our hands to make a rainbow parrot. So let's do it.
Crafternoon, oh crafternoon.
All right, so you're gonna need some rainbow colored paper to start, construction paper. And I have a piece of this watercolor paper, but you can just use cardboard or any other kind of stronger paper, and this is gonna be our parrot's base. So drawing the parrot, we wanna kind of make a beak. We're gonna hook up, and we gotta make a belly. We're gonna go around. Now from that nice beak down, we gotta make a little beak back up. And we're gonna go down, and just like that. So we're gonna add a little beak marker right here, just so we know where the beak is. And we're gonna add a little eyeball right here. So the parrot has an eye. And now it's time to add some parrot feathers and wings. So we're gonna cut this out. Don't worry, parrot. You are going to look so stunning when we are through with our crafting with you. Maybe what I'll do is I will color in the beak just so we have some nice color on that beak. Beautiful purple color. That is looking so nice and so saturated with color. Maybe a little pink line just above the beak here. So now that we have our parrot's body, we gotta make the parrot's feathers. So to do that, we're gonna move our parrot aside, and we're gonna take our colorful construction paper. I have all sorts of the rainbow colors here, and we are going to trace out our hand. I'm gonna probably get 2 piles of our paper. So I'm gonna trace out my hand. Boop, 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 boop. So instead of tracing and cutting all of these out, I'm just gonna do 1, and I'm gonna cut out 3 hands. So let's start gluing our feathers on. So I'm going to take a little plate, and I'm gonna put some tacky glue right on that plate, a big old dollop. So what we wanna do is we want to take a minute to arrange how these are gonna look. I love that. Maybe we'll start there. That looks cute. Okay, so we'll put our first one here. And we'll put that there. Already, I think this looks more like a parrot. Ooh, you are looking so good. Look at this beautiful parrot. If we want to make this like our rainbow parrot, we've got blue, we've got red. Let's add some yellow. Looking even better. Yeah, that looks really nice. I'll keep it as the orange. Got our orange right here. Kind of his beautiful chest. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. Let's add this one here. You know what, before I do this, maybe I will outline the rest of the bird. I'm just gonna do a nice crisp line like this. Oh, this looks really lovely. Let's finish up our gluing. Big glob of glue right here. Press, press, press. Ooh! So now I think we should add our final handprint. And what's that? You want to go outside? Should we go outside and add our final handprint? Okay. Whoa! You were right. Outside is really nice, and I can't wait to add your last feather. We're gonna have so many beautiful colors on you. We're gonna have the whole rainbow. Red, orange, yellow. We're gonna have green. We're gonna have blue. We're gonna have indigo, and we already drew some violet on your beak. Wow, now we just have to glue this one last feather on you, and I think you are gonna be done and really, really handsome. Wow. Oh, check it out. This is our Crafternoon creation. We made a tropical parrot by just using our hands and the whole rainbow. Wow. Well, thank you for having another very tropical Crafternoon with me. K10. Bye. Ah, bye. Oh, bye.
Aloha K10. Aloha. Aloha K10.